So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money for a Visa prepaid card here on the Freecash application. So once you guys open up Freecash, go to the bottom and then select on the cash out icon on the middle right hand side. Once you're on this page at the top, you can check your balance. In my case, I have $11.32. Then if you were to scroll down, go past PayPal, Google Play, Amazon, Apple, etc., until you come across a Visa prepaid card. So in this case, it would be paid out in US dollars. So you can get a $5 USD, $10 USD, 25, 50, 75, etc. So if you wanted to cash out, for example, for $5, you would press on it if you have enough to withdraw. You would proceed to the next steps and exchange to get your gift card that way. So pretty straightforward, super duper simple. That's how you guys can get a Visa prepaid gift card here on Freecash by withdrawing your money. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.